is a colorless, transparent, odorless liquid that forms the seas, lakes, rivers, and rain, and is the basis of the fluids of living organisms.
About 71% of the Earth's surface is water covered, and the ocean hold about 96.5% of all Earth's water. 70% of the Earth is made up of water. Water is made out of 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen.
The importance of water. Water acts as a catalyst of sustainable ecosystem. It helps with root growth, soil nutrient, seed germination, and a solvent for land and plant treatment. It is a medium of life for aqua biodiversity. And even us, humans, we're having benefits too. As we consume water, it carries oxygen and nutrients to the cell. It lubricates joints and flushes waste materials. These benefits of water stated are just a few. There are still lots and lots of reasons to conserve water.
Surface water. This is water which falls to the ground as rain or hail. This water is collected from a special area called a catchment. The catchment feeds water into a holding area via rivers, streams, and creeks. The water is then stored in a natural or artificial man-made barrier called a dam or reservoir. Dams are usually placed at the lower end of a valley. Catchment areas are usually far away from towns or cities to lessen the chance of the water being polluted. There are laws which control human activities such as farming and recreation in catchment areas and on dams to make sure that the water supplies are kept potable. Rivers or lakes. Town or community water supplies are sometimes drawn directly from nearby rivers or lakes. Springs. These are found where underground water flows out of the ground naturally without the use of bores, pumps, or wells. Springs often occur towards the bottom of a hill or sloping ground.
Excavated dams are made by scooping out soil to make a large, shallow hole. These dams are sometimes placed at the bottom of a slope to aid water collection. However, this can only be done in areas where the soil will not allow the water to drain away very easily through the ground. For example, clay soils, rock catchment areas, and rock holes. Sometimes, large rocky outcrops contain low areas in which water is trapped. These low areas make good natural dams. Often, a wall can be built to increase the amount of trapped water. Artesian bores. Sometimes when a bore is sunk into a low-lying area, the water gushes out of the hole under its own pressure. This water is under pressure because it is a part of an underground body of water, much of which is at higher level than the bore opening. This kind of bore is called an artesian bore. Bores and wells. These are holes drilled into the ground deep enough to find a permanent or long-lasting body of water. A pipe runs down the hole into the water, and a pump is used to get the water up to ground level. The water is then pumped to the community. Rainwater tanks. The rainwater which falls on the roofs of houses is often collected using roof guttering, leading through a pipe to a storage tank.